What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got here the iPhone XR. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I don't know if this video is ever going to even see the light of day because there's so many of these unboxings, and you might see it on my channel. I might put it out there and let you know that I do have the phone and it is on the channel, and I didn't want it to be a surprise to anybody if they see me doing a case video or some kind of test video, gaming video or something like that, using this phone, and say, hey, I didn't see the unboxing. But I got the 128GB variant, just T-Mobile. They only had it in black, so I went with the black. Red was my first choice, then I would have went with the coral blue, but they didn't have it, and all they had was the black. Black is like my third choice, so I went with the black. So, but it does come in yellow, white, and like this coral reddish peach color. 64, 128, and 256 are the gigabyte variants that you get it in. Now this phone is total in height 5.94 inches in height. Wide, it's about almost 3 inches wide, and as far as just the thickness of it, it's about 0.33 inch in thickness. So it is a little thicker than your standard iPhone, like the Max S and the other one that's out, the regular one. Got a case on my other iPhone, so just want to get in here. And yeah, there is a difference in the thickness, but not to the point where it's something that you might say, wow, that's suck. 6.1 inch display. Supposed to have that liquid retina HD display. This is supposed to be the largest LCD screen on an iPhone. Now the pixel resolution is 326 ppi per inch. It's about an 828, so it's a little bit over 720 and a little under 1080. It does supposed to have a fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating on it. It is IP67 rated up to 3 feet for 30 minutes or 1 meter. It does have the A12 Bionic chip, so it does have the same actual internals as the high-end iPhones. It does have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera with a 1.8 aperture. It does have digital zoom up to 5 times, portrait mode with an advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting with 3 effects, neutral, studio, and contour. It does have optical image stabilization, the quad lens true tone flash with a slow sync, panoramic view, sapphire crystal lens cover, backside illumination sensor. Oh man, this camera has a lot of features in it. Burst mode, timer mode. It does have auto image stabilization. It does have advanced red eye correction too, so that's pretty cool. Most low-end phones don't have that type of feature in it. It does video recording up to 4K, 24 frames, 30 frames, and 60 frames per second. It does have 1080p HD video recording up to 30 and 60 frames per second, 720 HD video recording, 30 frames per second. It does have optical image stabilization for video. It does digital zoom in video up to 3 times. Slow-mo is supported at 1080p, 120 frames, and 240 frames per second. It does have time-lapse in it. What else? Cinema video stabilization and a continuous autofocus for video, which is pretty cool. And it does stereo recording. Now the front-facing camera is a 7 megapixel with a 2.2 aperture. You can do portrait mode with the advanced bokeh effect. You do have the Animoji and Memoji control features as part of this iPhone XR. Face ID is also included, which is the only way to open it and close it. So I'm going to turn this on, get it all set up, and hopefully the battery life, from what I understand from other videos, is a beast. So I'm looking forward to this phone. But for the most part, it's got your standard Apple earplugs. Got your plug and slow charging brick. Yep. And other than that, in here you get your standard trolling stickers. And that's pretty much it. So I just want to let you guys know that, yeah, I do have the iPhone XR on my channel. I'm going to see if Max S or the R is the better move. So that pretty much does it for the unboxing of the iPhone XR. Again, you know, I decided to do it. Hopefully I'll put this video out. If not, I'll put some type of information out to let you know that the XR is on my channel. Well, other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next video.